this? You fun who this? I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. You fun who this? I'ma pull up in a brand new whip. You gon' try me, that's real stupid. Go all out, it's all I do, babe. Pull up in a brand new whip. You can get paid. All out, it's all I do, babe. Pull up in a brand new whip. You can get paid. You fun who this? Somebody get me. 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 Somebody get me.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video. Today with the M113 ADATS from United States of America. This little fella here was suggested by Kodiak Bricks. If you don't know him, why not? It's weird. You can find his channel in the caption of the video. And if you like this machine, you should also to thank him. As you may notice, it's a very small mock this time, so the video will be quite fast. We don't have so much to check. And very interesting, the ADATS turret, the top section of this machine, while the lower one is the M113, can be both built and used separately. For example, the turret, the ADATS, can be connected to my Bradley infantry fighting vehicle, for example. Same for the APC here below. This one without the turret will be a standard APC. So if you like this machine, you have different options, but as usual, remember to check the caption of the video to find very useful links to get the instructions to build this one and my other designs, cheaper third-party parts, playlist with my all other designs, and so on. And now we can finally start with the review here. For now, let's start first with the front. Here, this little section can be opened and you can see the inside with the engine. It's a V6. Then if we move here to the back, we have a hatch that can be opened or completely like this, and you can see the inside with some instruments, the crew, there is the driver there. But here this door can be opened as well, so you can decide if open the door only or the full hatch. I think it's pretty cool. Then on the sides we have these parts that can open like this. Okay, maybe let's keep them open here and close here. And one more thing, from the top you can also remove here this little hatch and see the driver inside. Of course, the crew members and the driver are in a bright green color because you can customize them as you like. Bright green parts, a reminder for who is new here on my channel, are for customizable parts where you can change the color as you wish because they are not visible. So here, yes, you can see it's green, but if you connect the turret, you can't see it anymore. So you can decide the color you like most or is less expensive and save money. Now what you can do here is remove these two tiles that are very easily to remove, and this one as well is a single section connected only here and here. It's easy to disconnect and check the inside from here. That I think it's pretty cool. You can see the crew members, computers, instruments. You can choose the one you like most, maybe custom parts, stickers, whatever you like. So in this case I choose something that looks nice, but it's not really important here. Then here we have the driver with more instruments that you can again change as you like. And then we have the turret. This one of course can rotate. I don't know, let's keep it this way, for example. Here we have on the front some instruments that can move as well. Now I'll show you better all the moving parts. This one, for example, can move up and down. It's the same, of course, here on the other side. This one can move up and down. Then the missile launchers as well can be moved up like this, and I think it's the coolest part of this turret. Then we have many antennas, and here on the back we have the radar. This one can obviously rotate, but also changed into this position like this, like the real one that I wanted to add also in the model here. And that's it. The review is already finished. We don't have so much else to check. It's a very small and kinda cute design. I hope you like it, even if so small. And if yes, remember to leave a thumbs up. Remember to check also my other designs. Again, you have the playlist in the caption, so it should be faster to find what you like most. Leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see next. Little spoiler, one of my next designs will be something that many of you asked for, but for today, that's enough. See you again next time with the Christmas special video with coupon code for the usual Christmas discount giveaway, so the next video will be quite interesting for you, I hope. And stay tuned for the future projects coming next year. Bye!